MyUCSC's navigation allows for several customization options, including creating custom home pages, adding, rearranging, and deleting tiles from a home page, adding, rearranging, and deleting tiles from your navbar, and creating and managing favorites. To create a custom home page, start on an existing home page and select the action list icon and Personalize Homepage. Click the Add Homepage button. Select from an existing available homepage or create your own by typing the name of the homepage into the space provided. Click Add. The order of your home pages is customizable by dragging and dropping them into the desired position. The first home page in your list is of particular importance because it will be the home page you're taken to when you click the Home button. Users who rely on a screen reader can tab to the home page they wish to move, use Ctrl-M to pick up the home page, tab to the place they wish to place it, and use Ctrl-Alt-M to drop it. You can further personalize your home page by adding tiles to it. There are 4 ways to add tiles to your home page, and the method is determined by the type of tile you wish to add and where you're adding it from. To add a navigation collection tile to your home page, click on the action list icon and select Personalize Homepage. Click Add Tile and select a tile from one of the tile groupings available to you. Tiles have been grouped into Student and Applicant tiles, Advisor and Faculty tiles, Staff tiles, and Shared tiles. Depending on your user security, you may not be able to access all 4 of these tile types. Selecting a tile from one of these groupings will add it to your home page. Continue adding tiles in this way to complete your home page. Note that you can only add the existing predefined navigation collection tiles from this list. You cannot create your own. To add a page tile to your home page, navigate to that page using the navigator. From the action list, select Add to Home Page. Select the home page you wish to add the tile to and click OK on the confirmation message. You can move or copy tiles to other home pages from Personalize Homepage by selecting the pencil icon in the bottom right corner of a tile. Select either Move to or Copy to select the desired home page. Screen reader users should note that the pencil icon is labeled Choose from Available Home Pages. You can rearrange tiles on your home page as long as they are not in the locked position. From the home page, go to the action list, Personalize Homepage. Drag and drop tiles into their desired position. Tiles with lock symbols in the corner are in locked position. Screen reader users should note that on the Personalize Homepage interface, locked tiles will be skipped in the tabbing order since you can take no action with them. You can also drag and drop tiles to rearrange them from the home page itself. Users who rely on a screen reader can tab to the tile they wish to move, use Ctrl-M to pick up the tile, tab to the location they wish to place it, and use Ctrl-Alt-M to drop it. Note that these keyboard commands do not work in Personalize Homepage to rearrange tiles, but do work on the home page itself. You can remove a tile from your home page by accessing Personalize Homepage under the action list and clicking the red X in the corner of the tile. Tiles without red X's are required and cannot be removed. Screen reader users should note that the red X is labeled Delete, followed by the tile label, and will not exist if the tile cannot be deleted. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Save. You may have noticed when adding a page tile to your home page that you also had the option to add that page to your navbar. Let's do that now. Navigate to the page you wish to add to your navbar using the navigator. Select the action list and Add to Navbar. Note that you have very limited space in the navbar before you need to begin scrolling, so you'll want to use this feature sparingly. To manage your navbar, open the navbar and click on the Personalized Navbar icon. You can rearrange the order of the tiles on your navbar by dragging and dropping them into the desired order. Note that the keyboard commands to drag and drop do not function here. You can delete the custom icons from your navbar by selecting the red X. The delete option is only available for navbar elements that can be deleted. Click Done to save your changes. When you navigate to a page through the navigator, you also have the option to save a page to your favorites. You can rename these pages, or use the default, to save that page to your favorites. To manage your favorites, open the navbar and select My Favorites, Edit Favorites. You can rename favorites and change the order they'll appear in by setting the sequence order. It may be helpful to intentionally skip numbers so that it will be easy to insert new favorites into position later. For example, numbering your favorites 10, 20, 30, and so on will allow you to add a new favorite into the second position by numbering it 15, and prevent you from having to renumber your full favorites list. Favorites that are left with the default number of 0 will automatically sort in alphabetical order at the top of your list. You can delete favorites from this page as well. Select Save when you're done.